wanted to do a quick video on what to do when your window regulator breaks. And I came out to my car today and I found my window like this. And it was fully closed yesterday and this morning. And I popped the door off and I need a new window regulator. So the window regulator on these cars are off a cable system. So when this cable gets loose, it'll get stuck. Your window's not gonna be able to go up and down like it should. Now, most of the time what happens is you come to your car and your window is down like that and it's open. So I just wanted to do a quick video on what to do when this happens as a quick fix until you can get your window regulator and replace the window regulator. Sometimes it's the motor off the window regulator, but most of the time it's not the motor, it's actually the window regulator itself, which is the track the window goes up and down on. You see this track in the cabling system. So most of the time that goes bad just from constantly going up and down, up and down, up and down. So what do you do to get your window back up and closed until you get the part in so you can replace it? I'm going to do a whole separate video on how I took the door off and got to the window regulator, and then obviously a video on replacing the window regulator. But I wanted this video to strictly be what's the quick fix to get your window back up until you can order the part and then get the part in. So what you want to do is, even when the window regulator goes bad, you still have the track that the window is on. And you see this is the window here. So you can actually still move the window up and down because it still has the track. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push the window all the way up, and you see I have this suction cup. So I would recommend that everyone have this handy, or one like this. Once you close the window all the way, you put the suction cup up and then just close it, and it's going to hold the window up. So it's going to be hard for me to push the window all the way up and hold the camera, but I'm going to push the window up and then show you that the window will be closed using this suction cup here. So it's a quick fix. So if it rains, which it does look like it's going to rain today, the rain won't get in my car and I can close the window until my window regulator comes in. So I'm going to push the window up and show you how I want to leave my window, and show you what's a quick fix if your window regulator goes bad, to keep your window closed at least until you get the window regulator replaced. Sometimes because the cabling gets stuck, it'll prohibit putting the window all the way back up. And what you can do, since you need a new window regulator anyway, you can cut this cable to allow you to put the window up. And since you're going to have the suction cup holding the window up, you don't need the cabling system, which is the main reason why the window regulator gets out of whack anyway. So I'm going to cut this cable so I can roll the window all the way back up, and then I'm putting the suction cup on at the bottom to hold the window up. You can take wire cutters to cut this cable here. And now you see I'll be able to push the window all the way up like that. And you're done. At least this is a temporary fix until you get the new window regulator and you can replace it. Now, this video, I just wanted to do a quick video on what to do because this can happen at any time. What to do is a quick fix to keep your window back up. My next video, I'll show how I took the door off, how to replace the window regulator, and show also in most cases you have to initialize the window too once you replace the window regulator. But I'll do all that in another video when I get the window regulator back in. But this is what you do as a quick fix when your window regulator goes bad in one of your doors. And I could tell you, if you have a BMW and you keep it long enough, it's going to happen. Alright, put the door back together. So this is what it looks like. So now my window's going to stay up until I get my new window regulator and replace it. So again, quick video on how to do a fast fix when your window regulator breaks and keep your window up and closed until you're able to replace that window regulator, which when I get it in, I'll do a whole video on how you take the door off and replace the window regulator. But here's the quick fix. Keep that window up so if it rains or anything like that, inclement weather, you don't ruin the inside of your car. Alright, thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for the support. Make sure the door opens from the outside. If it doesn't, you didn't put the door cable on properly.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Visit beamermods.com for BMW performance intakes, clothing and accessories. Unleash your BMW engine. Increase horsepower.